Hello to all friends. In this video, we're going to find the answer to this expression. 99% of people solve it wrong. The expression is 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. Many people say 6 minus 6 is 0. And again, 6 minus 6 is 0. And 0 times 0 is 0. But this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math from first to last. First P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents, like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first, from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way. You just finish them up from left to right. If you don't want any math problem to trick you ever again, subscribe right now so we can get stronger together. In this expression, we have subtraction and multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So we do the multiplication first. 6 times 6 is 36. And the expression becomes 6 minus 36 minus 6. Then we solve this from left to right. 6 minus 36 is negative 30. And negative 30 minus 6 is negative 36. So our final and correct answer is negative 36. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment your thoughts below. Your support helps us bring you more fun math challenges every day. Thank you.